Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we are unboxing and taking a look at a brand new monitor from AOC. This is the AOC LED 32 class monitor. The model number for this is Q3279VWFD8, and underneath that model number on the right hand side you can just see some key features. So the first one, and the one that stands out to me, is the QHD resolution, which is 2560 by 1440, so the greater the resolution the better. Has wide viewing angles, IPS and ADS, has AMD FreeSync technology built inside, offers DisplayPort connectability, super color technology, and flicker free. Also underneath there you have the link to AOC. You're going to find that in the description. So it has an IPS panel and it has a big screen size, so 32 inch is a great screen size. The refresh rate is 75 Hz and the response time is 5 milliseconds. So let's get it unboxed and set up. Inside the lid you will find unpacking instructions so you do not damage your display or damage yourself. Over this side it is just then suggestions on connecting up your display and just showing you how to do it. It's nice to see a picture form of this as well. In the packaging you'll receive a base plate and it's got a locking nut in it. This is for your stand and your display, which will get out last. You will also receive an AOC CD that will have drivers and a manual on here, but it is also in the description for you, the AOC's website. We've got a bit of paperwork here, just a bit of information. You have a UK 3-pin plug here. We then have DisplayPort to DisplayPort connection, so you can connect a device using a DisplayPort, and then also we have a HDMI to HDMI connection. So now I'm going to get out the display and set it up, and I'll come back when all set up and ready. So just before I put the base plate on, I want to show you that you do have a button control system underneath here. So it's not a joystick, you do have individual buttons, and then you have symbols on the actual front bezel here showing you what they are. So taking your stand, like I said, you do have a locking nut here, and obviously the base plate is going to face forwards. So as you can see here, we have a hook, and then you have a little grip inside here that it will hook into. So you grip that over, around, and then that's nice and secure. You're going to tighten this nut up. It does have a cross thread screw on it, so you can use a screwdriver if you so wish to. So looking at our ports, first of all you have your power connection here. Coming around the column stand here, you've got an old style DVI connection there. I haven't seen that for a long time. You have a HDMI, DisplayPort, a VGA, and then you have a headphone socket there as well. So let's get it all powered up and ready to go. Welcome back. So we're all set up and ready to go. So on the right hand side is my MacBook Pro, and that is connected in via the DisplayPort connection on the rear, and on the left hand side is my Xbox One X connected in via the HDMI cable, and we'll be testing it out and seeing how well it does. So it does have 5 milliseconds response time, it's 75 Hz refresh rate, so it is offering ability to actually game on this. I'm looking forward to testing that out, but mainly it's going to be for productivity, looking at my content and viewing content online and social media and the YouTube stuff that I do all the time. So I'm looking forward to seeing how well the photographs come out when I'm maybe using Adobe, and then also other great features on this display. This monitor has a sleek and slender design. I do like that. It's very thin borders, very narrow sort of frame, and very stylish plates there for the foot pedal. So on that I'm going to put a wireless charging pad so I can charge my iPhone and other devices, and just sat next to it is the OnePlus 6T that we've recently just unboxed, so make sure you go and check that out. And then also we'll be playing some Red Dead Online as well and having some fun with that. So this has been the unboxing and setup of AOC LED 32 class monitor. The model number for this once again is Q3279VWFD8, and of course there will be a link in the description so you can go and check this out for yourself and purchase if you so wish to. And then in a couple of weeks time we will have a review and see how well it's doing, and during that there will be photographs on Instagram, so follow us at Tech Talk UK on Instagram and we'll get all the latest photos on there and little video clips as well. Thanks always for watching. Remember, please give the video a like as it does help, and subscribe and ring the notification bell to get updated when the latest videos go live on Tech Talk. Thanks always for watching, and from me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.